So here are the chickens. Well, animals, because like they're not just chickens, there's a peacock in there. Oh, and turkeys and everything. There's Busby, she's coming. She's molting, and the baby duck, and them. She's molting. So, and of course she's molting at the wrong time because it's starting to get cold. So, oh, there's no more pheasants in here anymore. One flew away, it was the youngest one, and then the other two were giving away to where Bolt went. That's Peter. So, yeah, let's check out a couple more bunnies. Then we have some meat turkeys. So now, eggs this morning. Anyway, subscribe.